Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Code Khan here. Please like and subscribe the video, and I'm going to be teaching you guys today how to use text in Khanacademy. So this challenge is named My Favorite Foods. You can find it when you learn about text in Khanacademy, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this challenge. So I'm going to be skipping a lot of parts in this video over here because it takes long of time. But there are three main type of rules which you guys can see I highlighted earlier: quotation marks and the entire message. So one thing is, you can't forget the quotation marks in your text. When you you guys will see later on in the video, and commas in the right places, because if you do one wrong comma, it's gonna mess up the whole thing. And then exactly 3 arguments. You need to type the message, the exposition, and the Y position. So right now I'm going to show you guys. So far I'm gonna do text command. I made it black, and then see, I have to put the quotation marks, comma, and then 100/100, and then semicolon. So it wants me to put it at the top, so I'm just going to drag it a little to the left and then to the top. And my favorite foods. So it also wants me to make it bigger, so I'm going to use a text size. So T in text is going to be lowercase, and S in size is going to be uppercase. So now I'm just going to use 20. So the default is 12 or 13, I think, on Khanacademy. Next step. So I need to write all of my favorite foods. So I'm going to skip this part, and when you guys see this, there will be all my food. So I'm going to name it Fav Food. Always remember to name your stuff, because as projects get longer and longer, you are going to need to know when you update. So my favorite food: nihari, pasta and macaroni, and biryani. So